Oh, so this is the bridge right here, huh?
No, the bridge is it's called Natural Bridge because there's a. Let's see on the other side. Where the water goes through.
Oh wow, look at that. Very cool. Oh wow, look at that.
That's the natural bridge.
What?
The water goes in the mountain. So that's what I'm saying. If you hike over on the other side,
oh my god.
you're looking at the face of it where it blows out. So,
wow.
but the water's not running through it, but it might not be coming out there real fast.
Yeah. Why cool hiking up here, guys. Look at this view. That is got my knees a little bit shaky because that's way down there. Whoa, that is amazing. Wow. I'm putting this video together. Hopefully you guys all like it. The last video I took was up there. Ooh. Don't you fall. Tracy, don't slide down on your butt. That's amazing. Oh, Nature's Bridge. The only fun thing about going down is you get to go for a climb back up. Oh man. Climbing out of here. But got me a couple of walking sticks. Very cool.
You want to leave these here?
We'll leave them up at the sign. Somebody else will use them. To the crossing.